Good morning, dear students and esteemed parents. Over the last few years, the academic exhibition has become an imperative part of our school curriculum as well as a tradition. It involves integrating the students' knowledge and skills to real life situations and gaining valuable experience from that. This year, despite the pandemic, my students and teachers were unwavering in their decision to continue this learning experience. This involved collecting all the parts of the project remotely. This arduous process involved deciding on the content, preparing the parts, collecting them, and editing them to make a final presentation. And I am proud to say that my students, teachers, in charges, and my IT team have done a wonderful job. Congratulations. This year, we named our academic exhibition Incredible India. As you know, India is a land of diverse cultures, religions, and traditions. As a part of this project, the students have researched facts about the diverse states of India and integrated it with the subject knowledge they have gained in their classes. The final presentation will give you a virtual tour of the diverse states of India, and I'm sure this beautiful journey of incredible India will mesmerize our audience. Happy viewing.
ਸੋਹਣਾ ਹਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਭਰਿਆ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੀ ਸਈਓ ਸਤਲੁਜ ਰਾਵੀ ਬਿਆਸ ਜੇਹਲਮ ਤੇ ਚੈਨਾਬ ਨੀ ਸਈਓ ਇਹ ਪੰਜ ਆਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇਹ ਰਾਜ ਨਿਆਰਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਜੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜੋ ਪੰਜ ਦਰਿਆਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਂਦ ਤੋਂ ਉਪਜਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਭਗਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਨਮ ਭੂਮੀ ਬਣਿਆ। ਇਸੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ 10 ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਰਨ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਵਨ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਦੀ ਉੱਤਰ ਦਿਸ਼ਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਬੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਡੇਰਾ। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख कहन गुरु नानक मेरा। Location of Punjab. Punjab extends from the latitude 29.30 degree to 32.32 degree north and longitude 73.55 degree to 76.50 degree east. Punjab is bounded on the west by Pakistan, on the north by Jammu and Kashmir, on the northeast by Himachal Pradesh, and on the south by Haryana and Rajasthan.
The word Punjab is made of two words, Panj, 5 plus Ab, water, that means land of 5 rivers. It is named so because of 5 rivers flowing through this land, and these 5 rivers of Punjab are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. As of today, only 2 rivers, Satluj and Beas, flow through Punjab state in India. The third river Ravi flows partially in Punjab. The other 2 rivers, Chenab and Jhelum, flows in Punjab state in Pakistan. All these 5 rivers are tributaries of Indus rivers. All these 5 rivers finally merge into Indus river directly or indirectly, and the Indus then terminates into Arabian Sea near Karachi city in Pakistan.
Some of the major multi-purpose river valley projects in Punjab are: the first one is Ranjit Sagar Dam. The Ranjit Sagar Dam is part of a hydroelectric project constructed by the government of Punjab on the Ravi River on the border of 2 states of India, Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. The project is the largest hydroelectric dam of the state of Punjab. The second one is Bhakra Nangal Dam. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is the second tallest dam in Asia and located in the border of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh.
Rulers of Punjab. The first person to give Punjab its independence was Banda Singh Bahadur. Maharaja Ranjit Singh took over his father's territory at 12. At that time, Punjab was ruled by powerful rulers who had divided the territory into misls.
Maharaja Ranjit Singh overthrew the warring missiles and established a unified Sikh empire. He stopped capital punishment and formed a powerful army and ran a secular government. He combined the strong points of traditional Khalsa army with the Western advances in warfare to raise Asia's most powerful army of that time. The kingdom collapsed after his death.
पंजाब मेरी जान जैसा, पंजाब मेरी पहचान जैसा, पंजाब बुजुर्ग की दुआ जैसा, पंजाब पूरा खुदा जैसा, पंजाब नानक की रबाब जैसा, पंजाब कोरे जवाब जैसा, पंजाब वारिस की हीर जैसा, पंजाब नैनों की नीर जैसा, भूल कर भी नहीं भुलाना इसको, क्योंकि ये है हमारी माँ जैसा, माँ जैसा, माँ जैसा।
पंजाब गुरुओं पीरों की धरती कहा जाने वाला राज्य है। यहाँ पर बहुत सारे महान संत, महात्मा और वीर पुरुषों ने जन्म लेकर इस धरती को पावन और धन्य किया है। यह एक और उसके अन्नदाता होने के कारण पूरे भारत में प्रसिद्ध है। वहीं पंजाब की अलबेली धरती की खूबसूरती की छटा लोगों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करती है। यहाँ के त्योहार, खान पान, लोकनाच, संस्कृति, लोगों की वीरता, धार्मिक आस्था, खुशमिजाज व्यवहार तथा बुलंद हौसले लोगों पर अपनी अमिट छाप छोड़ते हैं।
नाचो गाओ खुशी मनाओ, आए हैं त्योहार, चलो जश्न मनाओ, रखकर सब चिंताएं एक और, मिलकर गीत खुशी का गाओ, मिलकर सब त्योहार मनाओ। पंजाब में ऐसा कोई महीना नहीं आता जिसमें कोई त्योहार ना आए। त्योहार हमारी नीरस तथा बेरंग जिंदगी में उत्साह, स्फूर्ति, आनंद तथा खुशियों के रंग भर देते हैं। पंजाब में बहुत सारे त्योहार बहुत ही धूमधाम से मनाए जाते हैं, जैसे लोहड़ी, बसंत पंचमी, दीपावली, गुरपर्व आदि। पंजाब राज्य के अमृतसर शहर में दीपावली के लिए एक प्रसिद्ध कहावत है, दाल रोटी घर की, दिवाली अमृतसर की। पंजाब के हर गुरुद्वारे को दीपावली और गुरपर्व में दुल्हन की तरह सजाया जाता है तथा आतिशबाजी की जाती है, जिसे देखने के लिए लाखों श्रद्धालु दूर दूर से आते हैं।
The total area of Punjab is just 1.4% the total area of India, but it produces roughly 12% of cereals produced country. The largest grown crop is wheat. Other important grown crops are rice, cotton, sugarcane, barley, millet, maize and fruit. In Punjab, kinnu, mangoes, guava, sweet oranges, grapes are major fruit, while lemon, plum, amla, falsa, bananas and etc. are minor fruits.
Pollution caused by the burning straw is affecting air quality, and it also affects soil fertility. It damage to our environment, and it also causing badly human and animal health. Now my friend will explain you about human husbandry in Punjab.
Before coming to the importance of animal husbandry, I would like to tell you that what animal husbandry is. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture concerned with raised animals for milk, egg, fiber, meat and other products. Punjab contributes about 7% to the total milk production. Average daily milk production by a cow in Punjab was 10.9 kg, while the cows of local breeds has highest 6.5 kg. Local buffaloes has also shown improvement by producing 8.5 kg milk a day.
Animals provide us with a variety of food products which have got high nutritional value. Now coming to the local cuisine of Punjab, which is influenced by agriculture and farming lifestyle. Punjabi cuisine is known for rich in buttery flavor along with vegetarian and meat dishes. Main dishes include सरसों का साग, मक्की दी roti, tandoori chicken, etc. Basmati rice is an indigenous variety of Punjab and various meat and vegetable based rice dishes has been developed.
Punjab has a diverse range of beverages. Some are dairy based, such as lassi, and other are juices derived from vegetables and fruits. Nimbu pani and shikanji is preferred in summer. Sattu is consumed traditionally in Punjab. In general, all these food items are healthy and rich source of nutrients like protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, and as served in langar in gurdwaras and other religious places.
The world is full of poetry. The air is living with its spirits, and the waves dance to the music of its melodious and sparkle in its brightness. Now it's time to take a look at the famous dance forms of Punjab. Punjab is a state in northwest region of India. It is the land of Maharajas and the region of Sikh religion with a rich cultural history.
Music and dance plays a very significant role in the life of Punjabis. Their exuberance and enthusiasm are strongly displayed in their folk dance. The most popular dance form of Punjab are Gidda and Bhangra. This beautiful dance is usually performed during all the occasions. This dance form like a family show with all the men and women making a beautiful presentation with regular singing and dancing. There are few more dance forms to Luddi, Jhumar, Jago, Gatka, Kikli, etc.
As we know that any dance form is incomplete without the relevant attires. So let's talk about the dresses of the land. The Punjab region had a flourishing industry in cotton during 19th and early 20th century. These cotton industries added to the richness of Punjabi clothing, which exhibits the Punjabi and vibrant culture in its dresses. One of the few traditional dresses that have been modernized is the Punjabi Ghagra. This attire is mostly done during a famous folk dance of Punjab performed by women to fill around in mesmeric color while singing folk song.
Some other famous traditional attires of like fulkari means flower chart, turban, a head wearing based on cloth winding known as pag or pagdi, tahmat, a Punjabi style lungi, and kurta pajama, the traditional wear of Punjabi men, and Punjabi jutti, a handicrafted footwear, have rich culture and tradition in India. Traveling is fun, isn't it? To get the real taste of Punjab, it's necessary to visit some famous tourist places in Punjab to experience the best of what the state has to offer.
Immersed in culture and history, the tourist places to visit in Punjab attract millions of people from all corners of the world. Home of glorious Golden Temple in Amritsar, Devi Tala Temple in Jalandhar, the grand structure and magnificent gardens in Chandigarh, stunning architecture at Kapurthala are must watch. The other places like Pathankot, famous for its lush greenery, Ludhiana, a blend of urban as well as rural culture, and Gurdaspur, a stunning place to witness the exuberance of Punjab. Thank you.
Amritsar is a land of gurus and sacrifice. It has its own places in the world. It is known as a heritage city for its glorious past. The historic places like Bagha Border, Jallianwala Bagh and Sri Harmandir Sahib highlight its city among the world famous tourist places.
Now let's discuss some amazing facts about world famous tradition Langar Seva in Shri Hari Mandir Sahib, also known as Golden Temple. This tradition of serving langar was initiated by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji and established by third Guru Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at Goindwal. All the preparation, cooking and washing up is done by volunteers.
Help of collected information, we prepare a data in the form of table as given below. This show quantities of different foodstuff about 7,000 kg wheat, 2,000 kg pulses, 1,500 kg rice, 700 kg ghee, 1,000 kg sugar and 1,000 kg milk are consumed daily in the langar kitchen.
With the help of this data, we have prepared a bar graph. As you can see, wheat is the most popular food stuff used in the langar house, whereas sugar and milk are consumed in the same quantity.
This information shows us daily consumption of foodstuff. The footfall on special occasions like Gurpurab and Baisakhi grows many folds. Dishwashing, cooking, cleanliness and serving food in Langar Seva has set an example in the whole world.
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਿਆ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦਾ ਤੋਰਾ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ, ਗੁਰਮੁਖੀ ਦੀ ਹੋਂਦ ਉੱਚੀ, ਗਿਆਨ ਦਾ ਭੰਡਾਰ ਬੇਹਿਸਾਬ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਨ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ 84 ਲੱਖ ਜੂਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਖਾਤਮਾ। ਗੋਇੰਦਵਾਲ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜੋ ਸ਼ਰਧਾ ਅਪਣਾਵੇ, ਜਨਮ ਮਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਮੁਕਤੀ ਪਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਆਤਮਾ।
ਡਿੱਠੇ ਸਭੇ ਥਾਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਧ ਜਿਹਾ, ਬਦੋ ਪੁਰਖ ਵਿਦਾਤੇ ਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਿਆ। ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਥਿਤ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਪਾਵਨ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਪੂਰੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਗੋਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਵਿਲੱਖਣਤਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਹੈ। ਹੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ, ਤੇਰੀ ਸਿਫਤ ਬਿਆਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੈ। ਖੂਨ ਨਾਲ ਭਿੱਜੀ ਇਹ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਾਹਰ ਹੈ। ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲਾ ਬਾਗ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਮਿਸਾਲ ਹੈ। ਸਰਹੰਦ ਤੇ चमकौर दी धरती भी बेमिसाल है।
दरबार साहिब पंजाब राज्य के अमृतसर शहर का ऐतिहासिक तथा सिख धर्म का सबसे पावन और प्रमुख धार्मिक स्थल है। इस गुरुद्वारे की नींव 1588 में सिखों के चौथे गुरु श्री गुरु रामदास जी ने एक मुस्लिम संत मियां मीर जी से रखवाई थी तथा सिखों के 5वें गुरु श्री गुरु अर्जन देव जी ने इसका निर्माण पूरा करवाया था। अमृतसर को स्वर्ण मंदिर भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि उसका बाहरी हिस्सा सोने का बना हुआ है। स्वर्ण मंदिर में प्रवेश करने के लिए 4 दरवाजे हैं जो चारों धर्मी की एकता का प्रतीक है।
में बने सरोवर को श्री गुरु रामदास ने बनवाया था। इसे अमृत का सरोवर भी कहते हैं। इस सरोवर का जल अमृत के समान माना जाता है। इसमें स्नान करने से सारे दुख दर्द दूर हो जाते हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ अकाल तख्त दुखभंजनी बेरी मंजी साहिब रावगढ़ आदि दर्शनीय स्थान हैं जिनके अलग अलग महत्व हैं। प्रतिदिन भारत और विश्व भर में लाखों पर्यटक हरमंदिर साहिब की सुंदरता को महसूस करने यहाँ आते हैं।
स्याही मुक जावेगी, कलमा सुक जाणगियां, तेरियां सिफतां करदे करदे कई जिंदा मुक जाणगियां। हे दाता, मेरे पंजाब दी धरती नूं सदा आबाद रखना। लगे ना इसनूं वैरी दी नज़र, किरपा सदा अपार रखना। मेरे पंजाब दी आन ते शान सदा बरकरार रखना, सदा बरकरार रखना।